The big question is going to be, is it going to be dry tonight?
Right.
And I don't think that's going to be the case. We have a chance for showers to build in, especially as we go a little bit later into this evening. Right now, live Doppler 13 radar showing just a few sprinkles, but I think that activity is going to pick up. Want to give you a view of what's happening in terms of temperatures and what we're seeing outside right now. Here is where we are with those temperatures. Notice at 2 a.m. we were at 48 degrees, and then we've now gone up to 61 by the noon hour. Average high this time of year is right at 60, average low 40. This is that live view of the bracket. Of course, it will be completed tonight. 61 degrees, winds out of the south-southwest, about 14 miles per hour. Feels like 61 degrees, so no issue out there, but we do have cloudy skies. Just south of Columbus, this is going to be along 65. There's a few sprinkles. Notice that lightning tracker is at 0, so we are dry right now. But earlier this morning on sunrise, Chuck Lofton was tracking just a few isolated sprinkles. I think we're going to be cloudy for most of the afternoon, but as we go into this evening, that's when we're going to start to see a chance for some showers and thunderstorms developing. Not looking at severe weather, but it does look pretty daunting outside, doesn't it? We have those dark, cloudy skies. Boulevard Elementary School in Kokomo there. We're going to keep the cloud cover through this afternoon, and then eventually a chance of a shower or a thunderstorm as we head into this evening. I think that becomes especially likely as we start to go into the game time tonight. By 9 o'clock, we'll fall to about 58 degrees, winds out of the south-southeast at 6 miles per hour, and we will see those spotty showers. Notice on FUTURETRAK 13, we're mainly dry right now at 1 o'clock. Then as we go into 5 o'clock, that's when we start to see some of those light rain showers pop up. And then fast forwarding to game time, it's at 9:18 this evening. You'll notice that we have some light showers on the radar, not ruling out a rumble of thunder, but you see they stick around through 3 o'clock in the morning, and it's just going to be off and on. We will continue to watch this as we go through tonight with scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms, only falling to about 54 degrees. As we go into Tuesday's forecast, we'll see a chance of showers and storms in the morning. By noon, they become isolated, and we remain with isolated chances by 4 o'clock at 70 degrees. This is FUTURETRAK 13. I want you to notice that most of the rain is going to be during those morning hours. We somewhat dry out in the middle of the day, and then more isolated activity fills in by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Then want to fast forward into early Tuesday or Wednesday morning. That's when we'll see more showers and thunderstorms roll through central Indiana. And I wanted to give you this timeline because we have rounds of showers and thunderstorms all the way through the 7-day forecast. Some of the strongest storms could come on Thursday. That's when we'll likely see some rain, 72 degrees. Friday, 68, and then we start to dry out just in time for the weekend. So we have above average temperatures in the 7-day forecast, but especially as we go into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, that's when those storm chances really increase.